Norton Antivirus Plus. What can it do for you? Norton Antivirus Plus is a security software package developed by Norton LifeLock Inc. It offers real-time protection against malware, viruses, spyware, ransomware, and other online threats for your Windows PC or Mac. It sits at the basic tier of Norton's lineup, offering essential protection without some of the bells and whistles found in its higher-end counterparts like Norton 360. Here's a breakdown of what Norton Antivirus Plus comes with. Core protection *** real-time threat detection ** continuously scans for and neutralizes malware, viruses, and other threats as they emerge. * smart firewall * monitors and filters network traffic to block unauthorized access and protect your personal information. * intelligent exploit prevention * proactively defends against zero-day attacks and other advanced threats that exploit vulnerabilities in your software. * multi-layered protection * combines multiple scanning technologies for comprehensive security against various threats. Additional features *** PC cloud backup * securely store your important files in the cloud to recover them in case of a device failure or ransomware attack. 5 GB storage in Plus version. * dark web monitoring * scans the dark web for your personal information like email addresses and passwords and alerts you if they are found. * password manager * create, store, and manage your password securely across different websites and devices. * intrusion prevention system. IPS continuously monitors network traffic for suspicious activity and blocks it before it can harm your system. * vulnerability scanner * identifies outdated software and missing security patches that could leave you vulnerable to attacks. What it lacks *** VPN * unlike higher tiers, Plus doesn't offer a built-in VPN for secure browsing and anonymity. * parental controls * managing your kids' online activity is absent in Plus. * identity theft protection * advanced identity theft protection features are exclusive to higher tiers. Overall, Norton Antivirus Plus is a solid choice for users who prioritize basic and essential security features. It provides reliable protection against common online threats with features like real-time scanning, smart firewall, and cloud backup. However, if you need more advanced features like a VPN, parental controls, or comprehensive identity theft protection, you might want to consider higher-tier Norton 360 packages.